All right, so this is page 9 of your notes. We're going to talk about special cases and word problems with systems of equations. So to start with some special cases, when we're dealing with systems of equations, there's 3 possible things that can happen. The one we've been dealing with the most is one solution, and that's when you have 2 lines and they cross at a point, and that point is the one solution. Okay, so in this case it would be negative 2, 2. That's the only solution of those 2 lines is where they cross. We've also seen this a few times where we have no solution, and that's when you have the case where you have parallel lines, because they're never going to cross, so they would have no solution. And then one more is when we have infinitely many solutions. And what that is, it's when you have 2 lines, they're parallel, but they're one on top of the other. So you'll have something like this, where you have the lines on top of one each other. It's the same exact line, so everything along that line is a solution. Okay. So a matter of recognizing this, okay, it's really easy if it's in y equals mx plus b form, if it's just y equals. So basically, if you have a different slope at a different slope, you're going to get one solution. If you have the same slope but a different y-intercept, you're going to get no solution. And if it's the same slope and the same y-intercept, you're going to get infinitely many solutions. So if we look at A, we have the same slope, we have the same y-intercept, so that's infinitely many solutions. Those are the same exact line. So everything is a solution. Okay. In the second one, we have the same slope, but the y-intercepts are different. So those are parallel lines. They're going to have no solution. And then in the third one, the slopes are different, so actually we don't even need to look at the y-intercepts, because once the slopes are different, we're just going to have one solution. So go ahead and see if you can figure out in the your turn if these have infinitely many, no solutions, or one solution.